Greetings to the Artist Journal family, wherever you're at in the world. Want to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. We're here for another episode. Yeah, we're back here after an inspiring, adventurous trip in the Gambia. Don't worry, guys. We won't be here in America that long. We will be front and center on that African continent shortly.
Absolutely.
But until then, we still got to give you guys some inspiring content. So today we're going to feature
the Makasutu Cultural Forest. It was awesome.
the Makasutu Cultural Forest. Is a very, well, I'll let the video speak for itself. So until further ado, until next time, family, pray you guys enjoy the content.
Peace.
Yo, how they get there before us?
That's what I was talking.
You know,
Yeah, because this is the boat.
we left before
Yeah,
them.
this was the boat that I was waiting. So we're supposed to start it from the other end. Yes.
You see that on the continent of Africa, you see the baobab trees, as far as work is concerned in the world.
It's like when you go to play, they always show they have sites.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
It's rich. It is, man. Makasutu. Nature vibes.
It is. Maybe one. It's more than 50 years old now. But as we know, mahogany tree, they can live up to 500 years. Yeah.
How can you tell how old the tree is?
Yeah. Based on the nuts.
Based on the nuts?
Yeah. See. And in the Gambia here, in the olden days, some of these trees, people believe that they have supernatural gifts. People have strong beliefs in the forest. Yeah. Mahogany tree, because of the tree can live for so many years, they associate the tree with long life. This is why in the Gambia here it become part of the tradition, especially within the Mandingos. When someone is newly married, they will advise you to make your first bed out of the mahogany tree. The
Okay.
belief is that the marriage also will last long. See? And still now, within the Muslim communities, there are some tribes, when they have a naming ceremony, as part of the norms, a member of the family will come in the forest, they will cut the bark of the tree. They will take it home and have it in the water. When it ferments, during the naming ceremony, they will use that water to shoot the hair of the baby before they will shape the baby to give a name or a title. The belief is that the baby will live long and safe from bad, evil spirits. See, those who will suffer from skin diseases or skin rashes, they will advise them to cut the bark of the tree and have it in the water when it comes. So that's my main function here. Not with the big tourist groups, because here the park will work with different groups. They have these tour companies that are bringing guests from different countries, like Gambia tours, West African tours, so they Rainbow, so they bring different nationalities, like people from Poland. For the last time. So we'll start the loading from behind here. Slow.
Where should I go here?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. Turn around. The more you relax, that's the best time to see manatees around this area. Manatees, they are big fish, but they are endangered species here with wings. In the Gambia, people are not allowed to hunt them. There are not many anymore. And during the low tide of the creek, that will be the best time to see a lot of oysters. We have oysters, they're also grown on the area roots of the mangrove. But during the high tide, water will cover most of the area roots, so you can't see them. But when the water goes down, you will see a lot of white spotties clicking on the roots. Yeah. And then in the Gambia, the oyster collections are mainly done by ladies.
Yeah, I saw that on a video one time.
They are very smart.
Yeah.
They are hardworking guys. They will use like cutlasses, and sometimes they will wear gloves or they will use wrappers to cover their hands because of the edge of the oysters are very sharp. So during the low tide, when they get closer to the mangroves, they will easily peel the shells from the roots, and they will pack it in their canoes until when the tide is up. Then they go along with the water to the nearest sandbank or to their local factory. Because of in the Gambia, we don't eat raw oysters. They will either steam it or we use fire to burn it, which will also enable the oyster shells to open easily. Then you can use a knife to take out. But place like here, the current is not high, so kids can come in groups and they will learn how to swim. Maybe you will have 1 or 2 elders among them who are able to swim, and those ones will guide them or serve as their instructor.
Now the last time we drank palm wine,
Oh,
4 days straight.
yeah?
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
This one's not gonna be like that.
Not like that.
This one is fresh.
That
No,
is
when it's just a little bit.
You got it, Sharif?
Yeah.
from God to man.
Actually, this tastes way better.
Yeah.
The other one wasn't sweet.
Yeah, that one is fermented.
This one fermented.
No, that one was fermented. The sweetness there, that's the alcohol. When it ferments, the sweetness will disappear completely. The sugar there, that's the alcohol.
Fresh palm wine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
See.
Good.
Very good.
Thank you.
You need?
More, yeah.
Just
From
a
the
little
palm wine topper.
That's good. Thank you.
Now I'm good.
Okay.
From God to
Can I go
man.
Man,
test it?
Yeah. And the first one is good for short-sighted.
Oh.
Yeah.
Push yourself. Push it up. Little bit high. No.
It also go a bit higher first.
That goes higher.
Yeah.
All right, it's okay there.
It's okay
Yeah,
there.
you can wave. No, you don't need to go higher now. No, there is
Good,
okay.
babe.
There is
You
okay.
feel me?
No, there is okay. See, coming down, yeah? Good. Whoa, look at that.
You say this one.
I got you to bed.
Sorry, no, don't go. Push it up.
Yeah.
Up,
No,
a
no,
bit,
no, no.
Up,
Yeah.
up a bit.
Good.
Okay.
Now, that's high.
Oh.
That's high, maybe here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. You can lean.
Your leg straight.
Yeah.
Free up.
Free up your hand. No, you don't need to go high
Okay,
now.
that's it. That's it, man.
Okay. Just have one
Come
step.
on back.
Just
Come
one
on
step,
back.
Yeah? Okay. Now you don't need to climb.
No, it's okay
The
there.
belt come down.
Come back down.
Oh, look at that.
It's good.
Now, first, yeah, pull
You
it
want to stay there and take?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. Look at that.
All right.
See?
Peace up to the family, peace up to the family. You know, everybody asks me from time to time, Samal, why Africa? Why Africa? See, for the love, for the culture, and definitely the vibes. John.